Hey everyone, it's Dr. Johnny Bowden, the Nutrition Mythbuster. You know, if you've read anything at all about nutrition, you know that it's very hard to get experts to agree on anything, right? I mean, there's the keto diet, then there's the vegan diet, and there's everything in between. And it often seems like expert opinion on food and diet is just all over the map. But there's one food that absolutely everybody agrees is a superfood. And that's real extra virgin olive oil. You know, I gave extra virgin olive oil a star in my book, The 150 Healthiest Foods. It was that outstanding. And no matter where you are on the nutrition spectrum, from the Mediterranean diet all the way to the Atkins diet, nobody disagrees about extra virgin olive oil. It is a superfood in anybody's book. But here's the thing. Everybody thinks olive oil is so healthy because it's a source of healthy monounsaturated fat, which it is. But that's not the main reason olive oil is actually so good for you. See, olive oil is actually a carrier for some of the healthiest, most amazing compounds on Earth. Now, these compounds, which are called polyphenols, are found in the very olives used to make the best olive oils. And I'm convinced that one of the main reasons that people who consume the most olive oil tend to be the most healthy is just because of these almost magical olive polyphenols. Now, these polyphenols, which we're going to talk about more in a minute, are found in the leaves of the olive tree. Now, people have been using the olive plant for centuries for its powerful healing effects. It helps with everything from blood pressure to heart health and a whole lot more. And in fact, olive oil, and I'm talking about quality extra virgin olive oil, which is not as easy to find as you might think, by the way, is a great source of these terrific compounds. And for many people, it's the only source of these compounds. Now, in just a minute, I'm going to tell you about a fantastic new way to reap the healthy rewards that olive leaves can bring into your life. And no, I promise I'm not going to tell you to eat them. Nope. Because there's really a much better way to get the health benefits derived from olive leaves. More on that in a second, but first I want to explain a little bit more about some of the compounds that are inside the olive leaves that make it so powerful. Now, one compound is called oleuropein, and it's pretty amazing. Research has shown it to help maintain healthy blood pressure, help increase immune system strength, and to protect your cardiovascular system. Now, that's a pretty powerful resume right there, right? It's one of the most powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds found anywhere in nature. There are even studies that show it can help protect your brain, which makes sense because oxidation and inflammation are two of the processes that age the brain and the body, and they do it more than just about anything else. Oleuropein isn't the only superstar compound that are found in olive leaves. Olive leaf extract contains another superstar, and its name is hydroxytyrosol. Now, hydroxytyrosol is another olive polyphenol that's been proven to be one of the most potent antioxidants in nature because of its incredible ability to absorb free radicals in the body. So what are free radicals, and why do they even matter? Okay, so free radicals are a kind of rogue molecule, and they do all kinds of damage to your body. You have seen free radicals in action, but you might not have realized it. You ever cut up some apples and maybe leave them outside on the picnic table exposed to the sun and the light? What happens to them? They turn brown. That's free radicals in action. You leave some metal outside in the rain. What happens? It rusts. That's free radicals in action. And guess what? That rusting action is exactly what free radicals do inside your body. There's even a theory of aging that's been around since the 1950s called the free radical theory of aging, which basically says that aging is nothing more than rusting from within. And this rusting of the body is what we call oxidative damage. And the best way to combat oxidative damage is with, guess what? Antioxidants. That's why antioxidants are so important. Oxidative damage, which we also sometimes call oxidative stress, causes damage to your cells. It disrupts your cell membranes. It damages the interior linings of your blood vessels, and it does a whole lot more, none of it good. Hydroxytyrosol has one of the highest antioxidant capacities of any polyphenol on the planet, which in a nutshell means it kind of hoovers up more free radicals in your body than just about any other substance on Earth. And it all comes from the humble olive leaf. So how exactly can you get all these health benefits from the olive leaf? Well, for centuries, people from many different cultures in the Mediterranean have actually eaten olive leaves to get the health benefits. So yeah, you could do that. After all, there's nothing to stop you from going to your local olive plantation and asking if you could just grab a handful of leaves to chew on them. Or you could do as I do and drink the actual olive oil. But let's face it, nobody wants to take the time to search for the nearest olive plantation and then try to figure out exactly what to do with the leaves. And as we said earlier, not everybody's willing to swig the olive oil. And not only that, even if you could get the leaves, there's no guarantee of what dosage, what potency those particular leaves might have. You don't know what their origins were. It would be kind of a total shot in the dark. And that's if you were willing to go to all the wilderness hunter stuff to find them in the first place. So lucky for you and lucky for me, there's a much better, much more concentrated way for you to put the power of the olive leaf into your life in the form of olive leaf extract. It's one of the best ways on the planet for you to start getting those health benefits. And there's one company who has dedicated themselves to creating the very best olive leaf extract anywhere. It's called Wellgrove. And it's one of the only fully olive-based health and wellness companies I know of on the planet. They're actually Australia's leading olive farmers, and their commitment to quality has led them to invest in planting, in growing, and in cultivating the healthiest olive trees in the world so that you can get the absolute best olive products possible. And you can trace them all the way back to the trees themselves. And they embrace a no-waste philosophy, setting them very far apart from the rest of the pack. What's even more impressive is their processing. From the moment the leaves are harvested, it takes less than 6 hours for it to be fully processed and ready for consumption. That's about as fresh as you can possibly get. They're 100% dedicated to making sure you have the best quality product through every level of production and processing. But right now, I want to tell you specifically about one of their newest and most powerful products, Super Immunity Plus Heart Health. It's specially formulated to take advantage of the incredible health benefits of the olive leaf and deliver it into your body in record time. Now, here's what you can expect to see when you start taking Super Immunity Plus Heart Health. It supports heart health. It supports healthy cholesterol levels within normal limits. It supports normal, healthy blood pressure in healthy individuals. It supports healthy immune system function. It helps enhance and promote general health and well-being. It's a powerful antioxidant, and it reduces the free radical burden in the body, protecting your cells and acting as a powerful antioxidant. And you can get all these benefits from just a single daily dose of Super Immunity Plus Heart Health. What I want you to do right now is to carefully read the rest of this page, and on it, you'll find a whole lot more about these amazing new products, their benefits, and a link to place an order. You know, if you're dedicated to your health and your overall well-being, I urge you to look down the page here. This is really good stuff. The products here are fully guaranteed, so there's really absolutely no risk to you. Adding the power of olive leaf extract in the concentrated form of Super Immunity Plus Heart Health gets my highest endorsement, and it's something you need to add to your health routine today. So check out the rest of the page below for more information and grab your personal supply today. Just imagine knowing you're doing everything right for your nutrition to help your heart, help your brain, help your immune system to be the best that they can be. That's all for now. This is Dr. Johnny Bowden, the Nutrition Mythbuster. Thanks for watching.